Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology 925-1418 Sensor Weather Shield User Manual. Overview. Holes for mounting screws. Slots for zip ties. Holes for mounting screws. Sensor. Velcro tape. Upright. Base. If you have a sensor with a probe wire, there is a hole for the probe to exit. Note, sensor and probe are not included. Specifications. Insert sensor. Twist the cover clockwise to remove the base. Attach the Velcro tape to the sensor and base upright to prevent tipping or use a zip tie. Ensure the probe wire fits through the round hole in the base for probe sensors. Place the cover over the sensor and base, then twist it counterclockwise to lock it into place. The sensor must fit entirely in the sensor shield to be protected. Mount the sensor shield within range of the display. Mount sensor shield. Mount to a flat surface. Twist the cover clockwise to remove the base. Place one long screw through the center hole of the base. Tighten until the head of the screw is flat with the base, do not over-tighten. Mount to a wall or post. Slide the mounting bracket down and remove it from the cover. Take note of the up arrow on the back of the bracket. Find a shaded location and attach the bracket arrow up with the 4 screws, or with the 2 zip ties. Note, allow room to slide the cover onto the bracket. Slide the shield down onto the bracket. Warranty and support. Warnings. Do not install shields near heat sources or open flames. This can damage the plastic and compromise the shield's effectiveness. Do not expose the shield to excessive moisture or humidity. This can cause corrosion and damage to the internal components. Do not attempt to modify or disassemble the shield. This can void the warranty and make the shield unsafe to use. Do not use harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners to clean the shield. This can damage the finish and reduce the shield's UV resistance. Ensure the shield is securely mounted to prevent it from being dislodged by strong winds or other weather conditions. Regularly inspect the shield for signs of wear and tear. If you notice any damage, replace the shield to ensure proper protection for your sensor. If you have any concerns about the installation or use of the shield, consult the user manual or contact Crosse Technology's customer support. Troubleshootings. Check sensor placement. Ensure the sensor is placed within the shield and is not touching the sides. Verify power supply. Confirm that the sensor has adequate power. Inspect for obstructions. Remove any debris or obstructions that might be blocking the sensor's view. Check for damage. Inspect the shield and sensor for any physical damage that could be affecting performance. Calibrate the sensor. If the readings seem inaccurate, calibrate the sensor according to the manufacturer's instructions. Replace the sensor. If the problem persists, consider replacing the sensor or the shield. Contact customer support. If you're unable to resolve the issue, reach out to Crosse Technology's customer support for further assistance. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.